Good morning. I'm Lorri with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsey with Always Yarn First.
And today we are here doing an unboxing for the Sock Yarn Society subscription box. And we are unboxing the May box.
And I already saw a sneak peek back in the back room, and I'm really excited about it.
This one is really pretty. I'm like super happy with the way it turned out.
So there's nothing on here I can't show. You make my heart flutter.
Yes.
Love it. So.
It's so good.
You know what with this yarn would make it cool, and I don't do them as much, is a muscle burr hat.
Yes, it would. I am in love with the black speckles on this.
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
I mean, I'm going to do it.
Yeah,
my
you
yarn.
can.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good. I'm like super happy with the way it turned out.
I love it.
Like, look at the speckles.
Yeah,
they're so
it's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is going to look so cool knit up.
Oh, and next month is going to look so good next to this one.
Oh man, you're getting ahead of yourself.
I know. Well, I have it planned out.
All right, let me get all the goodies out. All right, let's stop with these. Butterfly stitch stoppers.
Aren't they pretty? They match the yarn.
Yeah, they do.
The yarn matches them.
Those are pretty.
I love those. I love those. It's a whole butterfly theme.
And some butterfly wildflower seeds.
Yes, these seeds attract butterflies, and the little packet says you make my heart flutter. So the yarn was dyed to be cohesive with this.
Of course.
Because that's how I roll.
And a beautiful sticker.
Yes.
And a tea.
Has to match.
And of course, get up for this part.
They're so good.
It's so hard to hold them right.
It is. Can y'all see those little bitty holographic butterflies in that progress keeper we made? I literally, this month, I did those, and I literally hand placed every one of those holographic butterflies in the resin because they would clump together otherwise. So, yeah, I'm having a really great time with the Sock Yarn Society.
Hey, have you guys heard we're having a retreat?
We're having a retreat. Lindsey's helping me. We're having a retreat. Lindsey's the coordinator.
We got some fun events going on.
Oh, we're having so much. We're going to have so much fun.
And you can have fun too because there's still availability.
There is. I think there are 20-ish spots left. It's an all-inclusive weekend, except for Saturday. The middle Saturday lunch is going to be on your own, but the rest of the days, your food is included.
Food, your stay, your entertainment.
Yes. And us.
A goodie bag.
Yes.
I mean,
it's going to be so much fun.
Yeah.
I have been working on my Sock Yarn Society blanket. Mm-hmm. If you are following us, you know that we have a make-along going on right now, and it is called Nothing But Double. Mm-hmm. And I designed a blanket for me to use because I could not find a blanket that I really just was in love with. Mm-hmm. So I just decided to go out on my own. This is my blanket.
It's so good.
And I am loving it. And this is called Wave to the Fans.
So how many months do you have in here right now?
So this is January, this is February, this is March, and I just see where this light section is. This is last month's April that I'm just now starting to marl in. And so what I'm doing is, like, this bottom part down here was all, I'm going to call it AA. So it was skein AA. And then as I got in towards this area, I did 1A and 1B. Mm-hmm. And then I did BB. And then I did B and A again. And then I did B's. And then this, I go right in here and I bring in 1C, or 1C and 1B, and I marl it and I do a couple of rows, and then I just continue on and I will drop one and add one and drop one and add one. And I just really love, all the while I'm using two strands of yarn, that I am just really loving the way it's turning out. It's exactly what I thought. And it makes me feel like being on the beach and watching the waves roll in and roll out and roll in and roll out. And so, you know, it's no surprise. It's a feather and fan, but it's also waves, which is why it's called waves, wave to the fans. So it's turned out so good. I cast on 316 stitches, and it's like, y'all, it's so beautiful. So right now I'm right in the process of holding last month's color and this month's color. This one, by the way, looks just like candy.
Yeah.
Like, I'm in love with it. It's so much fun.
And it's not out yet, y'all. But be patient. It's coming.
Yeah, this pattern is not released yet. It is in testing. So I'm super excited that I have it in testing. And I also am testing it because I'm using it, and I am just absolutely loving it. It's featuring an I-cord edge, an I-cord cast on, and it will have an I-cord bind off as well. And look how gorgeous it is. It's just, it's so beautiful. And when you're doing this pattern, I'm actually making it where it's going to be darker as it goes down. I'm like, I love it.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
I love it. And, you know, the Sock Yarn Society is open right now for May. We have it open. So if you have somebody who wants to be a member of the Sock Yarn Society and it's been closed, tell them that it's open right now. Next month is going to be absolutely amazing. I have all the things for it already.
Wow.
We're really working hard on having everything way ahead of time. So, yeah, we would love it if you would join us in our knit along. Or make along.
I didn't bring my blanket because April was a doozy of a month for me.
Oh, that's okay.
But I am doing the Chevron Fade blanket from Hedgehog Fibers. It is a free pattern. It is crochet. And honestly, because of it's just like a little strip, I can do it in one setting. So I am planning to, by the next video, to do last month's and this month's.
Yes.
At the same time. And catch up.
It'll be excellent.
So, yeah.
It'll be excellent.
So I didn't even bring mine because I didn't even start it.
That's okay.
But I will post the pattern I'm using below. And once Lorri has a pattern out, I will post it below all the videos so that you know where to get it.
I'm torn because sort of I want to give it in the January box.
But your fans are
eagerly
my fans are awaiting it.
They are. Like, some people want it right now. So, I know. It's fun. It's super fun. I'm super excited about it. But thank y'all so much for joining us for our Sock Yarn Society unboxing. We're super happy about it. Yes. Join us in our make along. It is nothing but double. And you can make it, you can crochet it, you can knit it. It has to be a blanket.
It has to be yarn held double. The same yarn held double or marled, either one.
So we would love it if you join us. We draw prizes.
Yep.
So anyway, thank you so much for joining us, and y'all have a really great day.
Bye.
Bye.